In this video, you will see how to make the Arnold Palmer cupcake, named after the famous golfer and his iced tea and lemonade combination. We'll start with the batter and the frosting recipe. Then we'll move on to the decorating part where I show Scott how to pipe grass with buttercream. Then a very easy tutorial on making a fondant golf ball that even the kids can do. Stay tuned to the end because you'll see my first golf swing lesson from Scott. Then the inspector makes a comeback in our short film that we think you will really enjoy.
Arnold Palmer, Arnold Palmer, Arnold Palmer.
Wow, that's hard to do.
It is hard. You try it at home, folks.
And so I made Arnold Palmer cupcakes. You know at the grocery store they have those magazines with all the desserts? I got it in here.
When you get your recipes from...
I cheated.
Okay, that's cheating.
So
yeah.
This guy here is Jesse Arriago. Thank you very much because this is amazing. You are gonna love these cupcakes. Oh my god, that is intense. Holy shit. Oh my god. I gotta add more butter to that. That was just way too lemony. It's so strong. Let's see if that helps. Wow. That is something else. I like it, but it's really puckery. Makes you pucker. Maybe a little more sugar. Yeah, I don't think we need this whole thing. So you guys in the community voted the golf theme in. 38% of you wanted golf. So we're doing a golf themed birthday celebration. Me and Scott, and we're going to put a golf ball in here, fondant.
In it?
No, on it.
Oh. So no, the ball goes in the hole, not the cupcake.
All right, Scott, you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
So I've got green buttercream.
Okay, that's ugly.
I know, but it's gonna be nice. So yeah, you hold it on your hand like that.
Yeah.
So that you can put it in there.
Yeah.
And squeeze with your hand. There you go.
I did it. Is that enough?
You're gonna just kind of bring it down.
Oh, move it down to the bottom.
Try not to get too much air in there. That's the point, is that you don't want to get air in there. You want to squeeze it like this so you get some of the air out.
Yeah.
There you go.
Okay.
Then you're gonna squeeze out and make some grass on here. So you're gonna touch the cupcake with the buttercream.
Okay.
Squeeze and then bring it up and release. Squeeze up, release. Oops.
Perfect.
Squeeze and release. Touch the buttercream cup.
Okay, okay.
To the buttercream. Squeeze, release. Nope, it's better. Keep going. Squeeze, release. Oh, that's good.
Hey, it looks like grass.
Maybe a little shorter.
Okay.
Squeeze, release. There you go. Do you feel like a little kid?
I always feel like a little kid.
Good. Oh, that's much better. You got the hang of it now. Let's do it closer to the camera.
I'm not doing 4 of these. I'm just saying it right now.
You're gonna do
it was fun, but now it's like becoming work.
Don't try to get all fancy.
I am fancy.
Okay, that's pretty good.
Pretty good?
Right?
Yeah.
All right, now watch and learn.
Okay, I'm watching. We'll let the audience be the judge.
There's our 2 cupcakes, and we're gonna put golf balls on it.
Okay.
Are you ready to make the balls?
No comment at this juncture. So
once you get it there, I have this fondant tool and it has the perfect size end on it.
For the dimples.
For the dimples, yeah. There's Scott's. It looks pretty good.
Yeah, it's not horrible.
It's an illusion.
Yeah, it's just fun. It doesn't have to be perfect. And boy, is it not perfect.
But do you think mine looks better?
Why, if yours isn't better after doing this for 20 years, maybe 20 seconds.
I'm not exactly the fondant girl. And I don't have a lot of patience for this kind of stuff. I could make buttercream flowers all day long, but...
It looks like a dumpling that someone stabbed 100 times.
I'm gonna put mine on and just tweak it. Mine looks pretty darn
Yeah,
good.
yours is better. Those dimples are better, yeah.
All right.
Perfect.
There's our gold cupcakes, everybody.
Yay!
These are so delicious. I mean, it's all you really need, because this frosting is amazing. It's so strong that you just need the tiniest little bit. Ready to try it?
Yeah, I'll try it. Mmm. Wow. Wow. Mmm, that's unbelievable.
Oh my God.
The lemon. Mmm. Wow. We gotta make this one.
It's amazing. Wow.
So, like you're sitting on a bar stool, the 2 V's is your grip. You turn that left knee in, you go straight back, and then straight, and keep your head down and look at the ball, and be relaxed and natural. Go. Okay.
That's it?
That's it. It's super easy. You did it.
Bye.